Thursday morning. This is what it kind of felt like to be sat in here sometimes. It's so drafty. At least they've protected the... Oh, the alarm bell is still plugged in, so that's good. Yeah. Well, see how far they get today and what they get up to. I have no idea what's on the plan, but as you can see, it is wet. Oh. Woo. Hi, Tiny. Yeah, so this is a bit of a dumping ground at the moment, but it's all good. And then, and how easy it'll be to see in here, but that's where my 2 desks are in the spare room, in the junk bit, and then pieces of the bed all stacked up and other things just kind of thrown around. Oh, yeah. So yeah, I need to get a lampshade. That's the word I was looking for. And no, I'm not going to use the chandelier for that, so... Whew. Right. Let's go.